Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my trip. So today, like what I'm saying yesterday, today I really would like to show you northern west of Bali. Hello everyone, welcome back to my trip. So today I'm already arriving at Ulun Danu Temple. I really would like to show you how's the situation at Ulun Danu for today. So today, like what we can see over here is like a little bit empty, like quiet, because we are arrived about 9 a.m. so there's not so many tourists yet at these destinations. However, before we go through the temple area, we will be see this main gate from Ulun Danu. So there is my friends already going surrounding around this temple area, and let's see. Wow! I want to make video. Okay, the area is like one every 20 viewers. Like your firstly is like looking around, and then later you just follow me every single video. Okay. Okay, let's go to each other and follow me. Okay. Oh, look at that. There's so many fruits already this area. There's the flower everywhere. I really like it. So guys, that is the Ulun Danu first day. That I really like to show you another places again, because there are so many things that I'm planning to visit today. The waterfall and the viewpoint of Wanagiri Hidden Hill and the rice paddy. So keep following, don't skip any episode from my video. So you will be see how is the northern west of Bali trip. Thank you so much and see you again. Ready for the next destination?
Yes.
We are going to Banyumala Twin Waterfall.
You like tickets?
To get ticket.
Yes. Thank you.
You get ticket, and then also you get special souvenir. This is souvenir. Almost reached the waterfall. We will be going down on this few hundred meters stairs, but with beautiful all surrounding, guys. Whew, look at that. Whew. That is Banyumala Waterfall, guys. I'm really like it to show you how is the update situation over here, and then see you again on another destination, because now we will be going to Wanagiri Hidden Hill. Bye. So, like what we can see here, so many things happening over here. Like you can see the animal with this beautiful view. Yes, sir. Woo. Super nice, guys. This is the view from Lake Twin Lake. Whee! This is Lake. Super nice. Let me show you the view. The view, guys. Hi everybody, we are already at Jatiluwih Rice Terraces right now. So I really would like to walk all around to show you how is the situation at the Rice Terraces today. Let's see. Like what we can see over there. Yep. There is the local people, they put the organic things to make the paddy grow properly, like what we can see over there. See? Yeah. Yep. And then some is they are just cutting the grass. This is the baby from the paddy, guys. I really would like to show you. So this is the paddy. So before it's like this.
This is
yeah.
the
before it's like the seed like this. Okay. The seed like this. You see? Because this is the paddy already grow. Then finally, this is empty now because it's already grow. The new paddy. How gorgeous it is! Look at that. My trip is my adventure. Hi brother, what do you think about the paddy?
It's great.
You like it?
Yeah.
Really nice. This is the real experience that we got. If you come and join with my trip to see this beautiful view. Let's go. And this is how they make the rice field flat first before they plant the new paddy. And there is a lot of tourists that they are making their photo or video to make their best moments during their visiting Jatiluwih Rice Terraces. And this is all surrounding by beautiful view. Look at that. We are so lucky for today because exactly whenever we are visiting that we see there's the local people from here that they are working plant the new paddy, and this is the process that I really want to show you. It's really great. They do one by one. Let's see. Okay. Komang. Komang uling kebon.
Kebon api.
Kebon anyat ya.
Kebon anyat.